Hey there, Big John. How are you? Ferryman here, Balance PT. Listen, I know I talked to you a little bit about Joseph Escalante and his mom, Sandy, and about your project for remodeling their home for accessibility. Well, if you guys are still in the running to look for one of those candidates, I think this is your huckleberry right here.
Giving back is just a part of who we are. You know, it's a part of our core values and our foundational belief that there's more to life than profits and money and buildings and architecture. There's this element that there's people in our community that could really use some support. At Lewis Builders, we have the unique ability that we have the intellectual expertise when it comes to accessibility. We have the architectural design elements, and of course we have the building expertise to really change someone's life by changing their space.
In 2005, Joseph was with a friend of his in Mexico. They were vacationing, you know, as two young 20-somethings might do, on the beach, and there were 3 cars racing down the sand that ran Joseph and his friend over. And his friend was killed instantly, and Joseph was critically injured. Parts of his brain were irreparably damaged, and as a result, the signals that the brain is supposed to send out to the body to perform, you know, basic bodily tasks like swallowing and knowing when it's time to go to the bathroom, knowing when you're hungry, he can't feel anymore. You know, nor is he able to stand or walk because the brain just doesn't communicate the way that it used to with the rest of the body.
The challenges in this space is that it is a small space for Joseph and his equipment needs. Simple things would be so helpful for Joseph to be able to just go to the refrigerator and use the microwave and, you know, just to be able to give him that independence. And I love the design when he saw that and I saw that. There's a poker table and just an awesome place for a guy. You know, I think that makes a world of difference. You know, when you have that type of independence and more say over your space and more say over your being.
What I like about this project, our first project, hopefully first of many for Change Your Space, Change Your Life initiative, this is what we've also branded this initiative for Joseph and his mom, is that it lends the opportunity for everyone, truly everyone in the community that feels compelled to give back and help this family that very much deserves some support, a way to help, you know, whether you simply would want to join us on one of the work days and help plant some flowers or pull some weeds or, you know, use a paintbrush, or if you're someone that's, you know, limited on time but wants to help us with financial resources, or, you know, I'm looking forward to our material suppliers and our subcontractors that are anxious to help us with this cause. I just like that there are so many ways to help with this, and we can really come through as a community and, you know, show people we care.